first day, they gave us cans, and I ate it because we were hungry. And they gave us because we are physician coming, the wafd, they call us, the delegation. This is how they call us. So they gave us bread. And I took 3 bites, and my stomach could not take it. And said, Ya Allah, please forgive me, the spoiled woman coming from America. They lived on this from October 7. The people in the north, they don't even have that. The north is a different story. No, we were in the middle, not in the south, not in Rafah, we're in Deir Al-Balah. 2 days later, what is eggs for us? I saw it. And I looked at Hannah and I said, do you see eggs? She said, it is eggs. I ran down, bought 4 eggs for 10 shekels, $2.50. 4. I took a picture of it. And the nurse came to me and says, Dr. Haifaa, you want us to boil it? I said, can you? She said, yeah, we can. From nothing, they make everything. You know what really impressed me? I did not hear a word of complaint.